guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a smooth slow motion video edit on CapCut PC. So select your video and go to speed, and you're going to just make it slow-mo, and then you're going to press on smooth slow motion and you're going to select optical flow. Now it will take longer if your video is longer, but mine is pretty short, so it's not going to take a very long time. You can also opt for a voice tone change, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to wait for it to process. Again, it will take a few minutes to do. Before that, it's still going to look like very not smooth, as you can see. And I'm still going to wait for it to process. Now it's at around 50%. Sorry, you just have to wait a little while for this. 60, almost 100%. So yeah. Again, still waiting. Still waiting. Okay, we're almost there. So yeah, this is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!